We are on the steam train for the 30 subscriber special. Thank you guys for 30 subscribers. And now we're on the steam locomotive in England. There's the steam. See the steam? Yeah, pretty cool. We're going a bit faster. I have my British. I might start talking British after this video. It's starting. You can hear it. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. I'll post some more videos. Sorry for being delayed about posting videos. I'll post some more.
Bye, people.
So you can enjoy the video. So here we go. I'm gonna be a bit silent now.
It only takes a half a mile to... Excuse me?
Tunnel. Going a bit faster.
One. I'm going out to the corridor. That was the next big change after this, wasn't
Yes.
it?
It's weird they have do not read out of windows.
Oh.